Want to elevate your gaming experience? Say hello to Wave Browser, the ultimate gaming companion that takes your gaming experience to new heights. With amazing features designed specifically for gamers, Wave Browser ensures you have an immersive and uninterrupted gaming session every time. Say goodbye to constantly switching between windows. Now you can have two separate web pages running side by side on your screen. Browse game forums, watch tutorials, or even stream your favorite shows without ever leaving your game. Watch a game tutorial on YouTube or keep up with your favorite Twitch streamers while you play with Wave Browser's pop-out video option. Keep a video visible on your screen while you tackle in-game challenges or manage other tasks. Wave Browser also gives you the power to customize your sidebar apps, so you can access your favorite gaming sites instantly without interrupting your gameplay. Never miss your favorite Twitch streams or Discord chats by pinning your favorite apps conveniently to your sidebar. With our memory saver and lightning-fast browser, Wave Browser bids farewell to slow loading times, frame drops, and laggy gameplay. So, upgrade your gaming experience today and unleash your full gaming potential with Wave Browser.